ranch. It's no longer just a dressing for salad. And at least in my household and for me, ranch is not just a condiment or an addition to the meal or a dressing. It is part of the meal. Ranch for me goes on almost everything. I don't know what I would do without ranch dressing. And I know a lot of people are in the camp of it doesn't belong on pizza. It doesn't belong with pizza. It just goes on salad. But I do not believe in that theory. And there's a lot of great ranches out there. For me, for my money, for value, and for the taste, I think Aldi's Ranch is the best store ranch dressing that there is. I know a lot of people are going to say Hidden Valley is the king, and I think Hidden Valley is exceptionally good, and it's really good with pizza. I don't feel like Hidden Valley is as versatile with other dishes as the Aldi's Ranch. I think Aldi's Ranch is just the most across the board, well-rounded, perfect ranch dressing. And I'm not talking about like Coney Island, like Leo's Coney Island or Jet's Ranch or any of those, because those are ones that are made at restaurants or pizza places. I'm talking straight up at the store, out of the bottle. If you have not tried Aldi's ranch dressing, I highly, highly suggest you try it if you are a ranch lover. It's so smooth. It tastes so good, and it works with every dish. And I know the Hidden Valley enthusiasts are going to tell me I'm wrong on this, but if I had to choose one ranch dressing, it's Aldi's. Let me know what you think about the video and ranch dressing and your take on if it's something more than just a salad dressing or only belongs with salad. So thanks for checking out the video and have a good day.